Oh, good. The trail changes. Now, instead of small rocks, it's all big rocks. It's all good. This path leads out to McAfee Knob, and I'll show you a picture of that later. Man, that's that famous overhang. Nice and foggy. Had lovely rain last night in the tent. Oh, spraying everywhere, you know, with the drips, but it was all okay. I didn't get wet, so pretty happy. It's about 55, foggy, 100% humidity, and they say the rain thunderstorm's coming like 11 o'clock. Lovely. Oh, goody. I get to walk across more rocks that are wet. Shouldn't be slick at all. Hey, I'm doing well. I only slipped once. Found a great spot. This is called the Cliffs. It's lower than McAfee Knob. Had to come off that mountain, down the valley, back up on the ridge. And I get to go down there and up over there. Not too bad. The rain has thankfully held off really well today, but I think about 11 o'clock, maybe half an hour or so from now, it'll probably start back up. Oh well, you know, I guess it rains once in a while on AAT when I'm not in my tent or not in a shelter. Oh well, I'll just get wet. But hike so far has been great. Ran into one of my trail buddies, Sully. He's slack packing today, so his girlfriend dropped him off about a quarter mile away from here, and he's hiking the whole trail that I just did. So he's got 20 miles today without his backpack. It should go fast for him, but wow, it's still 20 miles. I'm looking at about another, I don't know, 6, 8. I'll have to look that up and see. It's like I said, it's only about 10:30 or 11 o'clock in the morning, so I get plenty of time to get there. Just wish I could get there, you know, before it opens up and all. Hiking's been great. Pack's definitely getting lighter. The more food I eat, the lighter it gets. And I'm still enjoying Virginia. About 200 more miles, I get to enjoy Virginia. So it's a good thing that I like it. But this is really cool, watching the clouds roll across there. So nothing like getting a chance to hike in a little bit of rain. You know, it's not too bad right now. It's kind of like a all-day drizzle, but it's off and on coming. Anyway, it's kind of cool. I've got this nice umbrella, only weighs 6 ounces. All backpackers can talk about is gear. How much did you pay for that? And mine's lighter than yours. I've got a little clip here. I think you can see that. It holds it up, and then a little bungee there that does it, and so I can, you know, walk hands-free, which is really pretty cool. Does it keep me dry? Yeah, sorta. You know, you walk by, your arms brush the trees. You know, you have to duck underneath all the branches and all. So I mean, yeah, you know, it kind of works. You know, I'm glad I got it. Jury's still out on this. I liked it in Pennsylvania, except you have to duck a lot underneath the trees and all. And so, yeah, when it was downpouring, I liked it. But we'll see. I think it's really better for a light rain like this when it's warm. I think that's what it's made for. Or the desert, you know, it's called. It does have reflective stuff, keep the sun off of y'all. I don't have to worry about that here. Well, I better be quiet and get hiking. I just looked. I still got 11 miles. I better get after it. Wow, doesn't that just look pastoral? It looks great. It's lovely. Light rain, clouds and all out there. Ah, but the lurking danger of the chiggers. Yes, that's right. It's time for Deep Woods off. Man, I've had about everything else happen to me on this trip. You know, the yellow jackets and other stuff. I've had a couple of chiggers. I don't want any more. Well, I see he's out for a little walk today, blocking the trail and all. How about that? Cute little thing. Look, I get buddies to hang out in the rain with. It's nice when you don't have to walk alone. They don't look really all that excited that I am here, but that's okay. I'm gone. Wow, that's pretty. Fall's coming. Cooler weather is going to get here. I hope I finish this hike before winter comes. That is awfully pretty. So I'm climbing my way up to Dragon's Tooth. Boy, sure takes the wind out of me. I did run into my very first trail magic down below. I was really excited. I walked past a little brook and there were 4 cans of Coke and Sprite hanging down there. It was great. I didn't have 4, I had 1. It was really nice. Appreciate the guy leaving those behind.